Today, our team is going to talk about water pollution. Water is vital for the substance of all life forms on Earth. However, despite its fundamental importance, our water sources are increasingly threatened by pollution. Water pollution happens when harmful substances mix with water in rivers, lakes, and ocean underground, making it dangerous and unusable for people, animals, and plants. Pollution can take various forms, including chemicals, pathogens, plastics, and other waste materials.
Improper disposal of household waste, including plastics, chemicals, leads to water pollution too.
Next is urbanization. Water runoff from urban survey sinks carries pollutants in the water bodies.
How to prevent water pollution? We can prevent water pollution by following ways. Reduce plastic usage by reducing our consumption of single-use plastics such as straws, bottles. We can significantly decrease the amount of plastic waste entering waterways.
What causes water pollution? Here are the main causes of water pollution. Industrial discharge. Industries release a wide range of pollutants into water bodies, including heavy metals, toxic chemicals, and organic compounds. Industrial processes such as manufacturing, cleaning, and agriculture contribute to water pollution.
Dear children, today we are going to watch after about water pollution.